Hey guys, I'm back with the follow-up video. As you can see, I have the unit finished. Sensors on. You can actually see the speaker in there. It's pretty cool because you can actually see a little bit of the copper of the tweeter. And then here's a speaker. This is completely sealed. If you take a look at this, all the way around. I have built quite a bit of this butyl rubber type of deadening material, and it's very, very strong. It's not going anywhere, and it's quite heat resistant. Excuse me. So, just wanted to show you guys what the difference it makes to this plastic. Check this out. Listen to that plastic. This has become essentially a solid piece, and I mean, it feels almost like metal now, just because of the way it's so dense, thanks to this butyl rubber sound deadening material. So it's very strong. I have 3 points that it's mounted to with. So there's one screw there, one screw there. That's the original 2 mounting screws, and I have one I've built here. Put an extra screw in here, and then afterwards, once it's secure, I sealed it from the frame all the way down to here. And as you guys know, on the previous video, I've built out that portion of the plastic mounting bracket outwards to make and accommodate for the larger speaker size that I put in here. So this is the finished product. I'm going to be installing the speaker, and then also this light sensor. This light sensor I have ended up just solidly adhering it with this material as well. So when I need to remove this piece again, I would have to unhook this and then unhook these two. All right, so I'm just going to bring you guys to the car. Just carefully unhook this. Probably just cut this part out later. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see that. Put out the speaker first. One and 2. These two are actually different size, so you can't really get it wrong. The smaller one is negative as per the manual from Infinity. And then this is the light sensor. You can hook that up. Butterfingers. There you go. It's in. As you can see, I've wrapped this wire up with some Tessa tape. It's a little bit long, but I'm gonna leave it like that. That way I can have a little bit of leeway when I need to pull this out for whatever reason. You can see there's quite a heft to it now. This piece is quite a lot heavier, obviously, because the speaker is like 3-4 times the original Bose speaker, factory speaker, as well as all that sound deadening material I've put on. So let's see if this goes in, and if we're okay. Yeah, I think we're might be a little bit lifted in the front here. But anyways, you guys get the idea. I may have to do an adjustment. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take this back out and see why this part is not quite going in properly, but that's not a big deal. I can easily do that. So yeah, hopefully this helps you guys.